Unveiling the stunning natural beauty of Turkey, a travel guide. Turkey is home to mesmerizing landscapes, from the majestic Cappadocia rock formations to serene beaches. Explore the breathtaking turquoise waters of the Mediterranean, perfect for relaxation and adventure. Experience the iconic historical sites like Hagia Sophia, blending rich history with stunning architecture. Discover breathtaking mountain ranges like the Taurus and the stunning views they offer for hikers. Turkey's diverse culture offers unique experiences, from vibrant markets to delicious traditional cuisine. Support our channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing for more travel insights.